Hi Dexter, I'm not sure if this is exactly what you wanted. If it's not, I would email Sam. I put his name in the email that I just sent you. He's really helpful at all things Canvas, but if this is what you're looking for, great. When you're in your editor for whatever you're editing, your assignment or your page, you go and you enter your documents. So select whatever that is to enter. So I'll just do my syllabus. And then once you've entered it, then you go and you click on it and we go to link options, which is right here. And then in your display options, you'll do preview inline, and then you want to expand it by default. So that way, whenever students click on it, it will just be automatically open. And so then we'll save. And then when I go back into this, you can kind of see here was my syllabus that I imported or entered, and it's just always open. I can minimize it, but it's open when the students first view that page. So I hope that was what you were looking for. Okay.